Welcome to Titan Machinery of Williston. In today's video, we will be demonstrating a case 440 with 1,430 hours. Let's take a closer look at the features on this skid steer. This case 440 has front and rear auxiliary hydraulics and a hydraulic quick coupler. The tires are tubeless, 12.5/16s with 90% rubber each. The cab is fully enclosed with rollover protection, heat, and air conditioning. Thank you for viewing this case 440. If you're interested in the skid steer and would like to contact our sales staff, give them a call at 701-577-0024. To view other available used equipment, check out williston.titanmachinery.com.